Two hearts beat in rhyme, not lost, just out of time. They mirror light and shade, where silence prayers are made. No chains, yet they remain, drawn to the same flame.